Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be doing a demonstration on how to tie a Spanish bowline. This is a great loop for climbing, camping, sailing, and even just general usage. Double up the rope and create a bight. Flip the bight back to create two separate loops. Twist both bights to create an elbow on each side. Feed the one loop through the other. Pull the elbows through the loops. And finally tighten. This is a great knot used to form two independent loops, especially when it's needed in a rescue situation. Under high loads, these loops are very secure and each loop can be adjusted to your preference of size. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.